Are you encountering issues with the Bank of Melbourne application crashing on your Android device? Then here are some troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue. Welcome back to How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to go across several steps that can help you resolve Bank of Melbourne application crashing on your Android devices. So let's get to them one by one. Step 1. Clear cache. Cache data can sometimes cause app crashes, so make sure to clear out your cache data from your application. Go ahead and press and hold the Bank of Melbourne application from the app drawer and tap on App Info. Once you open up the App Info page, tap on Storage and tap Clear Cache at the bottom right corner. Once you clear out the cache data, launch open the Bank of Melbourne application and see if that fixes the issue. If the problem still continues, move on to the next step. Step 2. Force stop and relaunch. Go ahead and tap on the three lines located at the bottom left corner from your Android device. If the Bank of Melbourne application is running on your background, simply push off the app card upwards or simply tap on Close All to close off all the application running on your background. Once you force close the app, you'll need to wait for a couple of seconds and then go back to your app drawer and tap open Bank of Melbourne app once again. After you do that, you might be able to fix your issue. Step 3. Update the application. If the problem still continues, the next thing you'll need to do is to ensure you have the latest version of Bank of Melbourne app. Go ahead and open up your Google Play Store from your Android device. Once you do that, go to your profile picture at the top right hand corner and tap on it. Now, click on Manage Apps and Device. Tap on Manage and select the Bank of Melbourne application from the app list. Once you find it, simply select it and then tap on the Update button if available. If you don't see an Update button, that means you've already downloaded the latest version of the app. Once you make sure that you have installed the latest version of Bank of Melbourne application, you might be able to fix your issue. So those were some of the fixes you could try out if you are going through crashing issues for your Bank of Melbourne application on your Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.